Hi, this is Sister Garver. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial for how you should be submitting your any assignments in the Google Workbook, either the journals or the academic skill plans or the reports. So after you go in and complete your journal assignment, you notice this is Journal A here, and I've gone ahead and entered my scores, and I've gone ahead and typed all of my responses. So what you're going to do after you have finished working on your journal entries, you're going to go back and click on whatever journal it is that you wanted to submit. And it's important to do that because when you click on a heading, it changes the URL that we're going to be submitting. And so it's important to, when you finish doing your responses, to go ahead and click back on whichever one that you're submitting, just so there's no confusion about which one you're submitting. Then after that, you need to go up to the very top and copy this URL up here. So you can do Control C on your keyboard, or most computers you can right click and do copy. So copy that URL, and then you're going to go back over to Canvas, go over to modules, and you're going to find whatever assignment you're submitting. So in this case, I was submitting the Journal A and 1 assignment. So we're going to click on that. Once you've gotten the assignment loaded up, you're going to click on the Start Assignment here. And you'll notice that there's a spot in the area that you can submit. It's here. It says website URL. You're going to click on that, and you're going to paste the link that we copied from the Google Workbook right into that spot right there. Okay, you can add a comment if you'd like, and then you're going to click Submit Assignment. So it's really important that you do this and submit it in the modules area in your course, because if you don't, then it won't show up on my side as having been submitted, and it won't bring up the grading rubric, and I really won't be able to grade it. So anyway, that's the correct way to submit anything that you do in the Google Workbook, so that I will see it and know that you've done it, and so that I can have access to the grading rubric so that I can grade your assignment. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye-bye.